We got a my brother's British.
Who are you talking to?
Oh, hell no.
Yeah, I am. I am.
Here, talk.
Are you real?
Yeah, I am.
No, you're lying.
I'm not even joking. I am from England. I'm from England.
Okay, wait. If you're British, then talk.
What do you want me to say?
I can say that too. See, look, I'm British now also.
Oh, that was garbage. That is garbage.
Horrible. That was.
Did you skip them?
No. Was that two guys in the same bed? That's not gay at all. Ooh.
White precious. Does that say so meat to me?
Some.
What?
Are you gonna answer us?
Get on the bed.
My medicine is.
Bye, you slut.
What?
You got your little average 12-year-old sucking so much cock. Stop sucking cock. Oh my god, you know you're in America when you got like those extra large cups. Look at those extra large cups.
What's wrong with the blonde one's forehead and her face? Yo, she got like 6 fingers. She'd be like, you have like a 6 head.
Get off of this, you are too young.
Dead serious. Hey, wow. You are beautiful.
Oh no, she opened her mouth, not that great. I don't know why, but
you are beautiful. Closer and closer. Oh, dude. Everyone just gets closer in.
Ow. Bye.
She's not even that hot.
Damn, this one is hot. Oh, you sexy. You are so sexy. Oh my gosh, you are so sexy. Oh, damn, I boosted her confidence and bang everyone.
Yeah, probably.
Oh, don't do it. Don't. Don't do it.
Don't tell your head. Don't do it.
If you
do it.
If you... Here, turn the laptop. Damn! Every Chinese person has a bunk bed. There are too many of them that they need bunk beds.
Whoa!
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 Oh, precious!
Let the dogs out! Ooh! 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 Let the dogs out! Ooh! 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 Let the dogs out! Ooh! 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 Let the dogs out! Ooh! 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 The water, 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 water. Yeah, brother. Is that a guy or a girl? It's a dude.
It's a dude. That is dude?
You ever see a Russian person say "cock"?
No. Oh shit! He just brought out a bong.
I told you to stop doing that, and I didn't realize you were doing it. And then we told you to stop doing that. And then when I turned around, how was France?
Wait, is Dad in his room?
Shut up.
Okay, if you liked our video, subscribe, leave a comment, and thumbs up, motherfuckers.